Formatted Drive Recovery, Step-by-Step Guide Using Data Recovery Tools. Recovering data from a formatted drive can be challenging, but there are methods you can try. Here's a step-by-step guide on using data recovery software. Step 1. Choose and install data recovery software. Select a recovery software. Choose one of the reliable data recovery tools like Recuva, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, or TestDisk. Download and install it on a separate drive or computer from the one you want to recover data from. Avoid installing on the same drive. It's crucial to install the recovery software on a different drive to prevent overwriting the data you're trying to recover. Step 2. Launch the data recovery software. Open the software, launch the installed data recovery application. Select the formatted drive. The software will typically display a list of drives or storage devices connected to the computer. Choose the drive that was formatted and where you want to recover data from. Choose scan type. Optional, some software offers quick scans for faster results and deep scans for more comprehensive recovery. Select the appropriate scan type based on your needs. Step 3. Initiate the scan. Start the scan. Follow the software's instructions to initiate a scan on the selected drive. The software will perform a thorough scan to locate and identify recoverable files. Step 4. Review and recover found files. View scan results. Once the scan is complete, the software will display a list of files it has found. This list might include deleted, lost, or formatted files. Preview files. If available, some software allows you to preview the files before recovery. Use this feature if it's available to ensure you're recovering the correct files. Select files for recovery. Choose the files you want to recover. Most recovery software allows you to select specific files or folders. Start the recovery process. Follow the prompts in the software to start the recovery process. Choose a different location, not the formatted drive, to save the recovered files to avoid overwriting. Complete the recovery. Allow the software to complete the recovery process. Depending on the size and number of files, this might take some time. verify recovered data. Check recovered files. Once the recovery process is finished, navigate to the destination folder where you saved the recovered files. Check to ensure that the recovered data is accessible and intact. Backup recovered data. It's advisable to back up the recovered data on another drive or cloud storage to prevent data loss in case of future issues. Following these steps with the chosen data recovery software can help in attempting to retrieve files from a formatted drive.
Remember, the success of recovery depends on various factors like the extent of formatting, usage after formatting, and the condition of the drive.